Shani Shangnapur, Sone, Village, Coordinates, 19.4000 degrees north 74.8167 degrees L. Country India, State Maharashtra, District Ahilyanagar, Talukas Nevasa, Area, Total, 82.36 square kilometers, 31.80 square miles. Elevation 499 meters, 1637 feet. Distance from Ahilyanagar 35 kilometers, 22 miles. Distance from Sambhaji Nagar 84 kilometers, 52 miles. Distance from Shirdi 74 kilometers, 46 miles. Shani Shangnapur 1 or Shani Shinganapur 2 or Shangnapur 3 is a village in the Indian state of Maharashtra. Situated in Nevasa Taluka in Ahmednagar district, the village is known for its popular temple of Shani, the Hindu god associated with the planet Graha, Saturn. The village is 35 kilometers from the city of Ahilyanagar. Shangnapur is also famous for the fact that no house in the village has doors, only door frames. Despite this, officially no theft has been reported in the village, although there were reports of theft in 2010 and 2011. The temple is believed to be a Jagrat Devasthan, lit, alive temple, meaning that a deity still resides in the temple. Villagers believe that God Shani punishes anyone attempting thievery. The deity here is Swayambhu, Sanskrit, self-evolved deity, that is self-emerged from earth in form of black, imposing stone. Though no one knows the exact period, it is believed that the Swayambhu Shanishwara statue was found by shepherds of the then local hamlet. It is believed to be in existence at least since the start of Kali Yuga. The village has a post office and a high school known as Sri Shanishwar Vidya Mandir besides the primary schools run by the Zilla Parishad. The chief source of water supply in the village is wells. Historical importance. Shrine of Shani Shangnapur. The story of the Swayambhu statue handed down from generations through word of mouth goes something like this. When the shepherds touched the big black stone with a pointed rod, the stone started bleeding. The shepherds were astounded. Soon the whole village gathered around to watch the miracle. On that night Lord Shanishwara appeared in the dream of the most devoted and pious of the shepherds. He told the devout shepherd that he is Shanishwara, and the unique black stone is his Swayambhu form. The shepherd prayed, asking the Lord whether he should construct a temple for him. To this, Lord Shani said there is no need for a roof as the whole sky is his roof and he prefers to be under open sky. He asked the shepherd to do daily puja and teller, oil, abhisheka, every Saturday. He also promised the whole hamlet will have no fear of dacoits or burglars or thieves. So, Lord Shanishwara can be seen even